So if you're a diabetic and trying to gain weight, the big question is which protein powder is actually safe? Is it whey, plant-based, soy, isolate or sugar-free? There's so much marketing that it's hard to tell what's helpful and what might actually spike your sugar. That's why today we will break it down as to which is the smarter choice for the right protein powder that supports your health without messing up your sugar numbers. Hi, my name is Kirti Prakash. I help people in reversing their diabetes in the simplest, fastest and the most natural way possible without any kind of medicines, insulin, fancy diet or any kind of tough military regime. Today, we're going to solve a big confusion. Which protein powder is safe for diabetics who want to gain weight? लोग सोचते हैं कोई भी प्रोटीन पाउडर ले लो, it will help. But the truth is अगर आप गलत प्रोटीन ले लेते हो तो शुगर और ज्यादा स्पाइक हो सकती है. And by the end of this video, I'll also share one 10-second trick जिससे आप instantly identify कर सकते हो if a powder is actually good or not or just expensive sugar. In today's video, we're going to explore the best protein powder for diabetics who want to gain weight safely बिना किसी शुगर स्पाइक के टेंशन के. ये वीडियो डिवाइडेड है 5 सिंपल पार्ट्स में. And here's what we are going to cover. Number 1, determining what your daily protein needs are. We'll break down एक simple formula जिससे आप खुद कैलकुलेट कर पाओ how much protein your body actually needs. Number 2, high protein Indian food for diabetics. Natural, low glycemic और घर के simple protein sources कैसे यूज करें, वो आपको कहाँ मिलेगा और उनको कैसे कुक करें. नंबर 3, इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस ट्रेनिंग. सिर्फ प्रोटीन लेना ही काफी नहीं होता. We'll explain how light level of strength training will help you turn your protein into muscle and not fat. Number 4, selecting the right protein powder. एक 3 rule formula जो आपको गाइड करेगा which protein powder is actually healthy और किससे blood sugar spike हो सकता है. Number 5, budget versus quality consideration. कौन से प्रोटीन पाउडर्स वर्थ द मनी हैं और कौन से आपको रेगुलरली फूड से मिल सकते हैं और स्मार्टर और चीपर ऑप्शंस में अवेलेबल हो सकते हैं. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to calculate, choose and use protein to improve your health and balance your sugar and gain weight easily बिना किसी confusion के. First, how much protein do you even need? Before you buy anything, let's get one thing clear. How much protein does your body actually need? Because the truth is, everyone has a different body weight, activity level and goal. आपका टारगेट किसी और से अलग हो सकता है, so don't just copy random numbers. Here's a simple formula you can use for yourself. Daily protein requirement is equal to body weight in kgs multiplied by protein factor. Now, protein factor depends on your goal. So 0.8 is the basic minimum, which is for general health. 1 is for maintenance level. And 1.2 is a high protein category which is required for muscle support or weight gaining. Let's take an example. A man weighs 65 kgs. So the basic will be 0.8 multiplied by 65, which will be 52 grams of protein per day. Ideal will be 1 multiplied by 65 kgs, which will be again 65 grams of protein per day. And the high level will be 1.2 multiplied by 65, which will be 78 grams per day. Now, a woman weighing 55 kgs will look like for basic 0.8 multiplied by 55 kgs, which will give 44 grams of protein a day. Ideal will be 1 multiplied by 55 kgs, which will be again 55 grams of protein per day. And the high level will be 1.2 multiplied by 55, which will give 66 grams of protein per day. So now it's your turn. Take your body weight, multiply it by 0.8, 1 and 1.2 and boom, you'll know exactly how much protein does your body actually need. अब जब आपको अपना एग्जैक्ट प्रोटीन टारगेट पता चल गया है, so the next question is, ये प्रोटीन लाएंगे कहाँ से? Segment 2, Indian foods that are high in protein and diabetes safe. You don't always need supplements. A lot of protein can come from your regular Indian meals. If you plan them smartly, here's a simple breakdown of common Indian food options. 1 boiled egg will give you roughly 4 to 6 grams of protein per day. 100 grams of paneer will roughly give you 18 grams of protein. 1 bowl of moong dal will roughly give you 12 grams of protein. And 100 grams of chicken or fish will give you 25 grams of protein. 100 grams of tofu will roughly give you 17 to 18 grams of protein. 50 grams of soy chunks, soaked and cooked of course, will give you roughly 25 grams of protein. Now, 2 rotis made with besan, chana flour or even almond flour mix will roughly give you 15 to 18 grams of protein per serving. नाउ ये सब इंग्रेडिएंट्स इजीली मिल जाते हैं लोकल मार्केट में, और अगर आप ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच और डिनर में इनको रोटेट करते हो तो यू कैन इजीली गेट 60 to 70 grams ऑफ प्रोटीन नेचुरली। और बोनस, ये सब लो ग्लाइसेमिक फूड्स हैं, मतलब शुगर स्पाइक भी नहीं होगा इनके खाने पे। बट यस, कभी कभी टाइम नहीं मिलता है या मील स्किप हो जाते हैं, तब सप्लीमेंट हेल्पफुल होते हैं। But before we get to supplement, there's something more important. Segment 3. Why resistance training is essential with protein. Let's clear one big myth. Just eating more protein won't magically build muscle. अगर आप एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटीन लेते हो बट आपका बॉडी उसे यूज ही नहीं करता है तो वो प्रोटीन फैट बन के स्टोर होता है। यस, एक्सेस प्रोटीन भी फैट बन सकता है इफ योर मसल्स डोंट यूटिलाइज इट। दैट्स वेयर रेजिस्टेंस ट्रेनिंग कम्स इन। सो जब आप पुश अप, स्क्वाट, डंबल कर्ल्स या रेजिस्टेंस बैंड यूज करते हो तो योर बॉडी गेट्स अ सिग्नल, ये मसल काम कर रहा है और इसको ग्रो करना है। तभी जो प्रोटीन आप लेते हो वो फैट बन के स्टोर नहीं होता। इट बिकम्स फ्यूल फॉर मसल ग्रोथ एंड रिकवरी। इवन 20 to 30 minutes ऑफ बॉडी वेट ट्रेनिंग एंड स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग पर वीक कैन मेक अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस। एंड डोंट वरी, जिम जाना जरूरी नहीं है। यू कैन डू squat, wall push-up, lunges, resistance band workouts at home. It's simple and super effective. So remember, protein is the raw material, resistance training is the trigger. दोनों चाहिए if you want to gain lean, healthy weight with managing your diabetes in check. Okay, now that we know what to eat and how to train, let's talk about supplements. Segment 4, how to choose the right protein powder. When it comes to picking a supplement, don't just go by a brand name or taste. Use this simple 2-point formula to choose the right protein powder for your needs, especially if you're a diabetic. Rule number 1, it should contain 80% or more protein. Always read the label. If you're taking 100 grams of protein, at least 80 grams should be the protein. Simple logic. अगर सिर्फ 20 से 30 grams प्रोटीन है और बाकी सब शुगर या कार्ब्स है तो फिर वो प्रोटीन नहीं, महंगा लड्डू बन जाता है। Unfortunately, a lot of protein powders in the market just do that. They're filled with fillers, flavor, थोड़ा कोकोआ, थोड़ा शुगर, but actual muscle support नहीं मिलेगा। Rule number 2, no sugar-based ingredient at all. Be very careful of dextrose, glucose, maltodextrin, sucrose and high glycemic sweeteners. ये सब blood sugar को instantly spike करते हैं, even worse than table sugar. So अगर आपका प्रोटीन पाउडर पे लिखा है कि डायबिटिक फ्रेंडली है बट उसमें ये सब चीजें हैं, तब वो एक बहुत बड़ा रेड फ्लैग है और वो आपको कंज्यूम नहीं करना। नाउ इसमें एक बोनस रूल भी है, यू शुड प्रेफर लैक्टोज फ्री प्रोटीन। नाउ दिस इज important, especially if your blood sugar is really sensitive. Now, some people don't realize, but milk-based proteins like whey concentrate often contains lactose, which is a type of milk sugar, right? So, जब आप lactose-heavy protein लेते हो, your body releases something called IGF, which is insulin-like growth factor. Now, IGF acts like insulin. It tells your body that store this, hold this, and build something now. Now, that sounds good, right? But not when you're diabetic and have issues of insulin resistance. Because IGF can trigger extra insulin response, which can push your blood sugar levels to go even higher. That means even though you didn't eat sugar, but your body behaves like as if you've eaten sugar. That's why lactose-free or isolate-based protein powders are better for diabetics. They are cleaner, lighter on digestion, and don't cause unwanted insulin-like reactions. So when you read the label, look for terms like lactose-free or whey protein isolate, not concentrate, और प्लांट बेस्ड प्रोटीन लाइक पी और सोय आइसोलेट। ये प्रोटीन पाउडर्स आपके शुगर लेवल को स्टेबल रखते हैं और एक्चुअल मसल ग्रोथ सपोर्ट भी करते हैं बिना किसी स्पाइक के। प्रोटीन पाउडर इजंट इविल। गुड क्वालिटी प्रोटीन पाउडर विच हैज हाई प्रोटीन and has no sugar, is lactose free, can be a great addition to your daily nutrition. But remember, it's a boost, not a substitute. Eat well first, so your eggs, dal, tofu, paneer, and then top it up with one clean scoop, only if needed. Now, let's talk about budget, because health के साथ साथ budget और wallet friendly रहना भी important है. Segment 5, budget versus quality. Is the supplement you're taking worth it? Now, a lot of trending supplements cost roughly between 1500 to 2000 rupees per kg. And if they give just 20% protein, that means you're paying 1600 rupees for just 200 grams of actual protein. That's roughly 8 rupees per gram. अब कंपेयर करो इसको नेचुरल सोर्सेज से। नेचुरल सोर्सेज जैसे एग्स, पनीर, दाल, टोफू, सत्तू, चिकन, फिश, आलमंड फ्लावर, बेसन फ्लावर, मूंग स्प्राउट्स. So these give you protein for roughly 2 to 4 rupees per gram. They are natural, budget friendly, and they don't spike your blood sugar that easily. So supplements only make sense when you can't meet your daily target through the food. Time crunch hai and the label is clean and safe, probably take it then. And yes, for your convenience, we've listed a few good quality protein powders which have high protein percentage, are sugar free, lactose free, that meet these standards in the description box below. Now you can check them out and decide which one works best for you. So let's wrap this up with 4 key takeaways. Know your daily protein target, which is your body weight multiplied by 0.8, 1.0 or 1.2 depending on whatever you want. Use Indian foods like eggs, tofu, paneer, soy, dal and almond flour rotis. Add resistance training to make your protein work for your body and not just store some extra fat. Choose clean supplements, which means 80% protein, lactose free and sugar free. Protein लेना है but बिना training or clean foods के नहीं. If you do that, it's just extra calories. So if you're trying to gain weight with diabetes, don't just eat more. Train smart, eat right and choose wisely. Next video में we'll talk about fasting sugar levels and a common morning mistake जो लोग gym जाके करते हैं, जो actually उनका sugar बढ़ा देता है. If you're currently dealing with diabetes and looking for the simplest, safest and the most natural approach to reversing it without relying on any kind of medicines, metformin, insulin or harsh military style diets, our personalized one-on-one diabetes reversal mentorship might be exactly what you need. In this exclusive mentorship, we'll work directly with you on reducing your dosage. You'll be getting tailored guidance on personalized diet, exercise, and all of that. Together, we'll address your diabetes from the root cause and help you in rebuilding your health naturally and sustainably. We don't believe in extreme diets. We focus on practical, personalized strategies made for your lifestyle, so reversal feels like something that is simple and achievable. Now, since this is deeply personal work, we can only work with 10 to 12 people in a month. To qualify, you just have to meet 2 criteria. Number 1, you have to be serious and committed for reversing your diabetes. Number 2, you have to have a proactive mindset, not like a victim mindset. Now, if this sounds like something that you want, click on the link in the description below and book a free consultation with my team. We'll assess your case and see if you're a good fit to work with us. We're excited to help you in reclaiming your health. Click on the link below and we'll see you on the next side.